Welcome back to Auto Legends, where power meets perfection. Today we're diving into something truly extraordinary, the 2026 Ford F-650 6x6 Motorhome. This machine isn't just a motorhome. It's a statement, built for those who refuse to compromise between rugged capability and ultimate comfort. The new F-650 6.6 takes the concept of overland luxury to an entirely new level. Let's start with the exterior, because this is where Ford has made jaws drop. One look at this beast and you immediately know it means business. The massive 6x6 setup isn't just for show. It's engineered for extreme off-road dominance. The extended chassis rides high on reinforced heavy-duty suspension, giving it the kind of ground clearance you'd expect from a military-grade vehicle. The front fascia carries the familiar Ford Super Duty DNA, with a bold, blacked-out grille featuring the oversized Ford, lettering and adaptive LED headlamps that can pierce through the darkest mountain roads. Bodywork is sculpted in a way that balances aggression with sophistication. The aluminum and composite construction helps reduce weight while maintaining rigidity, and the matte finish protective coating gives it a rugged, adventure-ready look. The oversized off-road tires are mounted on custom 22-inch forged alloy wheels, ready to tackle sand, snow, or rock with equal confidence. Down the sides, you'll notice integrated storage compartments and fold-out utility stations that make it clear this motorhome was designed for serious expeditions. The 6x6 drivetrain layout is visible beneath the body, with triple differential locks and high-clearance axles showing off the engineering muscle underneath. At the rear, the wide stance gives way to a power-assisted tail section that can lower for easy loading of ATVs or gear. The LED taillight strip runs the full width of the back, giving it a futuristic aesthetic, and the retractable awning system blends seamlessly into the roofline when not in use. Speaking of the roof, it's loaded with technology, solar panels, satellite connectivity, and a reinforced platform for viewing or extra cargo storage. The 2026 F-650 Motorhome isn't just for weekend trips. It's built for world travel, ready to live off-grid for days at a time. Stepping inside, Ford has combined utility and luxury in an environment that feels more like a high-end apartment than a motorhome. The moment the electronic steps deploy and you climb in, you're greeted with a mix of fine leather, carbon fiber, and brushed aluminum accents. The layout is efficient but elegant, a full kitchenette with induction cooking, a concealed refrigerator, and smart storage solutions throughout. The living area includes a fold-out couch, modular dining table, and 4K entertainment system integrated into the wall. Ambient lighting runs along the ceiling edges with customizable color options. Toward the rear, there's a queen-size bed setup with panoramic windows and blackout shades, while the bathroom features a rainfall shower and premium fixtures. The driver's cabin, however, remains unmistakably Ford. The digital cockpit is dominated by dual 15-inch displays that manage everything from navigation to off-road telemetry. The seats are power adjustable with heating, cooling, and massage functions. Even though you're piloting a massive 6x6, the driving experience feels refined and surprisingly effortless, thanks to Ford's new smart terrain assist system that adapts traction and suspension settings in real time. Under the hood, things get even more impressive. Power comes from a 7.3-liter Godzilla V8 paired with a hybrid electric assist system. Combined output? Over 600 horsepower and nearly 1,000 pound-feet of torque. That's enough to move this colossal machine from 0 to 60 in under 8 seconds. Not bad for a full-size motorhome. The power is routed through a 10-speed automatic transmission and a triple-axle drive system that can distribute torque dynamically depending on road or terrain conditions. Fuel efficiency isn't forgotten either. The hybrid system can power all onboard electronics while stationary, reducing generator use, and regenerative braking helps extend range. For those who prefer diesel power, Ford also offers a 6.7-liter Power-Stroke turbo diesel variant that focuses on towing and long-range endurance. On the road, the 2026 F-650 6x6 is surprisingly composed. The adaptive suspension soaks up imperfections effortlessly, and the cabin remains whisper quiet even at highway speeds. When you take it off-road, the torque vectoring and terrain management transform this massive vehicle into something almost agile. Sand, mud, snow. or steep rocky trails, it powers through with unshakable stability. The 2026 Ford F-650 6x6 Motorhome redefines what's possible in the world of luxury adventure vehicles. It's not just transportation. It's freedom on six wheels, the perfect fusion of power, technology, and comfort. Whether you're conquering mountain passes or cruising down the highway, this is the ultimate expression of what a modern motorhome can be. Thanks for watching Auto Legends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss another deep dive into the world's most legendary machines.